Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these really cute yarn wrapped initial Christmas ornaments. All you really need is some yarn, cardboard, a pair of scissors, and a glue gun. Hey, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, Casita de Crystal. My name is Crystal. Hope you learned something from this video. Take what you learned, leave the rest, or at least be inspired to create something better than this. Make sure you take a look at some of my other videos too.